Do you feel a roller coaster of emotions whenever you place a trade or monitor your positions in the market? Do you go from nervous, happy, tensed, sweaty, and fearful as the price goes up and down? Being too emotional and fearful of your trades won't help you in the long run. Knowing how to keep your emotions in check and cope with the uncertainty in the market will develop your trading mindset. If you're overwhelmed with emotions, try to stay away from the screen in the meantime. Drink a glass of water or listen to calm music to help ease your mind. Find out which method helps you calm down and be rational, and go back to your trades and investment. Don't let your emotions control you. You can't influence where the market goes, but you can strengthen your trading mindset. Avoid being an emotional mess in online trading, and do it the smart way.